So it's your turn to cook dinner. You have all the food ready and your family is hungry. You turn on your grill and the heat only gets up to 200 or 300 degrees. What are you gonna do? Hey everyone, John here for Boomer Life. So your barbecue is not heating up to the desired temperature. It stays around 300 degrees. What are you gonna do to fix that? So when this happens, your problem is right here in the regulator. It's got a safety mechanism built in to detect leaks in the gas line or up here in the unit itself. Sometimes there is no leak. It's just, it's been turned on wrong. Like it's been turned on up here first and then down here. On the large barbecues, the regulator is attached to a hose from the barbecue. On a portable barbecue, it's attached to the unit right here. When we go camping, I have an adapter that hooks from here down to the tank. So when this happens, what you want to do is shut everything off, starting with the tank. Turn all your burners off and let it sit for a minute. What's happening is there is a safety mechanism built right into the regulator here. So it detects if there's a leak. If you start turning it on with the barbecue switches, or if you just leave your tank on all the time, it sets off a little ball in there that brings it right down to 30% gas because it thinks that there's a leak. So after a minute's gone by, you turn your gas on slowly. Don't worry, the family will wait for dinner. Okay, and you go up here. And turn your gas on. And you should have a full flame. As you can see, the temperature is going up. Soon it'll be right up where I want it to cook those burgers. So I sure hope this video helps you if you have had this problem. Please like and subscribe and share. Thank you very much for watching.